Hello students, welcome to the session of surface area and volume. Today we are going to discuss about volume of a cone. What is cone? How can we get the cone shape? Actually, one complete rotation of a triangle is a cone. We know what is the formula for find out CSA of a cone, that is pi r l square units. TSA of a cone, pi r of l plus r square units. And the volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. So here r is the base radius and the normal height is h and the slant height is l. Using this we form one formula using Pythagoras theorem, that is l square equal to r square plus h square. These are the important formulas in cone. Now exercise 13.7 first problem. Find the volume of the right circular cone with radius 6 cm, height 7 cm. Here radius and height given. We are going to calculate the volume of a circular cone. Okay, first write the given. Given radius of cone is equal to 6 cm and height of a cone is equal to 7 cm. Now we are going to calculate volume of a cone. What is the volume of a cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. Okay. Apply the values. 1 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7, r value 6. So r square means 6 into 6 into h value 7. 7 cancel. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So now we multiply the value 44 into 6. So the answer is 264 centimeter cube. So volume of a cone is equal to 264 centimeter cube. That's all. Second problem. Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with radius 7 centimeter, slant height 25 centimeter. Here radius of a cone given, slant height of a cone given. We are going to calculate the capacity. Capacity means that is volume. So what is the formula for volume? Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we need a h value. So using L square equal to R square plus H square formula, we calculate the H value. Then we have to calculate volume of a cone. Okay. First write the given value, that is radius of a cone. Given radius of a cone 7 centimeter and slant height of a cone, that is L value, no. Slant height L is equal to 25 centimeter. So using the formula L square is equal to R square plus H square. Apply the value 25 square, L value 25 centimeter, R value 7 centimeter. We have to calculate the H value. So apply the R value also. R value 7 square plus H square. So change the 7 square value to LHS. So H square is equal to 625 minus 49. What is the value? That is h square equal to 576. Taking square root on both sides, h value 24 centimeter. Now we know the h value, so easily we calculate the capacity of a conical vessel using the formula volume of a cone. Capacity means volume only, no. Capacity of conical vessel is equal to what is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. So 1 by 3 pi value 22 by 7, r value 7 into 7, h value 24. 7 cancel, 3 ones are, 3 eights are. Multiply 22 into 7 into 8. The answer is 1232 centimeter cube. But we calculated the capacity, no. So we have to convert into liters. We know 1000 cubic centimeter equal to 1 liter. 1000 cubic centimeter equal to 1 liter. So divided by 1000. So 1.232 liters. That's all. Third problem. The height of a cone is 15 centimeter. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, find the radius of the base. Here volume of a cone is given. Height of a cone is also given. We apply the formula, volume formula, we get the radius of the base. So first write the given. What is given? Height of a cone is given. Height of a cone is equal to 15 centimeter, and another one, volume of a cone. Volume of a cone value 1570 centimeter cube. So what is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So using this formula easily we calculate the radius of the base. So LHS, apply the formula. 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 1570. 1 by 3 into 3.14 into r square into 15 is equal to 1570. Now we just cancel the value or interchange the value. R square equal to 1570 into 3 divided by 3.14 into 15. Cancel the value, we get the answer. R square is equal to 100. Taking square root on both sides. So what is our R value? That is 10 centimeter. Therefore, radius of base of cone is equal to 10 centimeter. That's all. Fourth problem. If the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube, find the diameter of its base. Here also volume of a cone given and the height of a cone also given. Finally we have to calculate the diameter of its base. So first we just assume radius of base of a cone be r centimeter. Let radius of base of cone is equal to r centimeter. We just assume the value. Then what is given? Height of a cone given, no. So height of a cone is equal to what is that? 9 centimeter. Then volume of a cone also given. Volume of a cone is equal to 48 pi centimeter cube. So apply the volume of a cone formula in LHS, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 48 pi. Now apply the h value. 1 by 3 into pi into r square into what is the h value? 9 is equal to 48 pi. Now cancel the value. Pi cancel. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So change the value to RHS. R square is equal to 48 by 3. So r square is equal to 16. Taking square root on both sides, we get the value r equal to 4 centimeter. But what is our question? Finally we have to calculate the diameter of its base, no. So diameter of its base is equal to 2r. So the value 2 into 4, the answer is 8 centimeter. That's all. Fifth problem. A conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is its capacity in kiloliters? What is given? Diameter of the top of conical pit is 3.5. So what is the radius? That is 3.5 by 2. Then depth of the conical pit is given, that is height. So height is equal to 12 meter. Finally we calculate the capacity of conical pit. Finally we convert the value in kiloliters also. Okay. First write the given, that is diameter of the top of conical pit. What is the value? 3.5 meter. Okay. Another one, radius. So radius is equal to 3.5 by 2. Then another one value given, that is height of a conical pit is 12 meter. Finally we calculate capacity, no. So that volume of a capacity only conical pit is equal to, using the formula, volume of a cone 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. Apply the value. 1 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7, r value 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 into h value 12. Now cancel the values. 7 1s are 7.5s are. Okay. Then 2 1s are 2 11s are. Then 3 1s are 3 4s are. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So multiply the values. The answer is 38.5 meter cube. But finally we have to convert in kiloliters. No. We know 1 kiloliter is equal to 1 meter cube. So 38.5 kiloliters. That's all. Next problem. The volume of a right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, find height of the cone, slant height of the cone, curved surface area of the cone. What is given? Volume of a cone is given, no. So using the formula volume of a cone, then equate the value. Easily we calculate the R value or H value. Then we have to calculate the next values. Okay. First write the given. What is given in this question? First one, diameter of the base of a cone. Okay. Diameter of the base of a cone. What is the value? 28 centimeter. So take the value. Diameter of a cone is equal to 28 centimeter. So what is the radius of a cone? Radius is equal to half of that value. So 28 by 2 is equal to 14 centimeter. We don't know the height value, no. We just imagine the height of a cone be h. Height of a cone be h centimeter. Okay. Next take the value volume of a cone. Volume of a cone is given, that is 9856 centimeter cube. Apply the volume of a cone. 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 9856. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into h is equal to 9856. Now change all the values to RHS. So h is equal to 9856 divided by, what is the value? Change the value into 7 into 3, 22 into 14 into 14. Now cancel the values. We get the answer h is equal to 48 centimeter. So we calculated height of a cone only. So mention that height of a cone is equal to 48 centimeter. Height of a cone is equal to 48 centimeter. Next we calculate the slant height of a cone. That is our second subdivision. Slant height of a cone. Slant height means that is L only. So using Pythagoras formula, L square is equal to R square plus H square. So L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. So what is our R value? That is 14. H value 48. So square root of 14 square plus 48 square. What is the 14 square value? 196. 48 square 2304. Add the values and taking square root, 2500. What is the square root of 2500? That is 50 centimeter. So we calculated L value. Easily we calculate the curved surface area of a cone. Curved surface area of a cone. What is the formula? Pi RL square units. So apply the value. 22 by 7 into R value, what is that? 14 into L value 50. 7 ones are 7 twos are 50 into 200, 100 into 22, 2200 centimeter square. That's all. Next problem. A right triangle ABC with sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. What is given? One right triangle ABC is given. BC value 5 centimeter, AB value 12 centimeter, AC value 13 centimeter. Another clue is given. What is that? Revolved about the side 12 centimeter is given. So we have to rotate the triangle. We get the cone shape. Okay. So this is actually radius. This is normal height. This is slant height. Using this value, we calculate the volume of cone. What is given? Triangle ABC is revolved alongside 12 centimeter. That is mentioned. Okay, yeah. Actually, this means a cone thus generated is having height of 12 centimeter and base radius of 5 centimeter. So mention it. This means a cone thus generated is having height of 12 centimeter and base radius of 5 centimeter. Okay. So next we calculate the volume of a cone. what is the volume of a cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. Okay, apply the values, that is 1 by 3 into pi into, what is our r value? That is 5, no? So 5 into h value 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are 5 5s are 25, 25 fours are 100. So 100 into pi, 100 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume of a cone. That's all.